Hello and welcome to another Meditate with me, where we will just do a nice and relaxing body scan, preparing for the next week. Maybe you need to just simply relax your body, and that should be the video that helps with that. So starting slowly with simply finding a position in which you're comfortable with. Might be sitting, just as I do. Might be lying down, standing up. Ensuring your body is relaxed, your back is straight, and you can remain in this position for a short while scanning the body. It helps you to arrive, taking deep breaths in and out. Might be helpful to close the eyes, to turn inwards. But if you prefer to keep the eyes open, just let the gaze be soft and relaxed. I will close my eyes, that it helps me to put the attention into the body. And then I simply will focus on breathing for a short while. First noticing where I can sense breathing in the easiest way. And if breathing is comfortable to you, you can try doing the same. Check if you can sense the breathing in your nose, your throat, maybe in the movement of your chest or belly. And then place attention there. And if its breathing is not comfortable, you perhaps can find that focusing on sounds, the sound of my voice, background sounds, or specific sensations in your body, like in your feet or hands, works just as well. We're just finding this focus area, so we can always return there if we get distracted. So simply resting the attention with our anchor, a chosen focus area. And if we get distracted, saying thank you not now to any thoughts or distractions, allowing them to pass by like clouds in the sky, and returning to breathing, the body, the sound. We'll start our scan from the top of our head, Noticing any sensations on the scalp, how the hair feels, the ears, the forehead. And then the sensations around the eyes, trying to relax a bit the muscles around the eyes. I typically do a lot of work during the day. Relaxing our facial muscles as well, and especially the jaw. Allowing the jaw to drop a bit. Relaxing the neck and shoulders muscles. Noticing sensations there. Might be tension, discomfort. I'm trying to change it, simply noticing and relaxing as much as possible. Moving down the arms, allowing the arms to be heavy and relaxed. Noticing hands, sensations inside the hands and fingers. The warmth or coolness. Allowing it all. All sensations are welcome. Relaxing the fingers one by one. Noticing the sensations in the back. Perhaps if needed, straightening it a bit. Allowing the chest and belly to relax as much as possible as well. And expanding them with each breath. Softening the belly muscles. So that the breathing can even reach the lower belly area. Noticing the sensation from hips and upper legs. Relaxing leg muscles. Putting some attention on the joints, knees and ankles. They might be a bit tired or in some discomfort if you are active. allowing these spaces also to relax and rest. And finally, putting some attention onto the feet area, noticing sensations in the heels and soles, and the arches. Relaxing each and every toe. As you now notice sensations in many different body parts, perhaps there is some discomfort, and if you wish, you can always go to these areas and investigate a bit. Relax those areas a bit more. Or, if that's too much discomfort, focus more on areas where there's comfort and no pain. And rest, simply rest in those areas. You can also choose just simply to relax, noticing your entire body, how it feels today. And anytime you get distracted, knowing that you can always return to breathing, the body, or sounds, and we relax again. How are you feeling in your body today? Can you relax some more? And perhaps just 5% more. Just resting and relaxing the body. And when ready, maybe taking a few deeper breaths again. Returning to your surroundings, opening the eyes if they are closed. Slowly allowing the light in. And as you return, I hope that you feel a bit more relaxed. Your body feels better. And you're ready to go back to your day and your activities. I would like to thank you for joining me today. Really appreciate any likes, subscribes, comments. So feel free to do so if you want to. And for now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.